sail away. No, we were no strings attached. Maybe we could take that back, make it what it isn't. I wanna be with you. We just get along so well. Want you, baby, to my side. You know we get together, but we pass it up. I think I want forever. Maybe we found some luck. Maybe we found some love. Maybe it's all us. But am I crazy for trying? I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you. And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you.
Maybe it's crazy I love you. Maybe it's crazy I do. Maybe it is, but I'll live with it. If it means I love you. If we could be together, I'm set shit. Every song about you on my set list. All of my friends wanna hear about us. All of your friends wanna hear about us. So let's roll with the punches that come with a thing called trust. We don't gotta rule out commitment. I want you differently. I think this is love. Yeah, I think this is love. Love. Yeah.
You know we get together, but we pass it up. I think I want forever. Maybe we found some luck. Maybe we found some love. Maybe it's all us. But am I crazy for trying? I'm crazy for you. And I'm crazy for you. Am I crazy for trying? And I'm crazy for you.
Moonlight peeks through the curtains. Another night, another fight. How do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Baby, just stay with me. Now I smell wine in the bedroom. You can get me when you're drunk. Apathy is how I get through. Until you ask me what I want. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Did you really mean it?
know I can't change it, but like, I'm never thinking about it too much. I just start feeling blue. I wish I could. I wish I could change it.
When I look back, I know I can't change the words that you said, and I still believe them. I hope you know you changed the way that I fall in love when I can. And it's the way that you come around when nobody's there. I hope she doesn't find out that I've been someone else's man. The mistakes keep piling on, and now the feeling is all gone. I'm scared.
They say fuck love when I'm on the shit. You wanna move on from this relationship. I wish I could move on too, so I could just be done with you. But shit, yo, I can't lie, my heart aches, I just wanna cry. I break down on my damn knees, asking everyone why'd you leave. My depression is getting worse, this shit just hurts. Due to Heisman on them hoes every time a chick try to flirt, cause I belong to you, and I thought you was mine. I wish I fucking knew you were leaving, and about this time I'm gone.
When I look back, I know I can't change the words that you said, and I still believe them. I hope you know you changed the way that I fall in love when I can.
Yeah, lot of shit I thought I never would do. I did like all of it, chilling with you. I got some problems, got nothing to do with you, but I've been struggling getting it through. I just been vibing, I'm dying to live. I know my mama been trying for kids. That made me think about everything. Life is a blessing, as long as you give or you get. What do you think about life? Tell me the life you want. You can never be my wife, they'll never stay too long. Say I come on too strong, that's my fault. I'ma just right my wrongs. If I can't, then I write these songs. That's my flaw. I've lost count of them all. Forget when I let my bond.
I don't feel love, but somehow you pull me in. I'm so fragile, they always leave in the end.